Hang the pants on a hanger. Place the hanger with the pants onto the display rack. Unexpected situation. Pants of a different type have been placed in the wrong spot. Pants of a different type have been placed in the wrong spot. Please hang these pants in the correct location. Press the next button to begin the sort. Display the newly arrived clothes according to their type and size. The displaying task. Clean the mirrors used by customers. Spray. Wipe off the dust with a cloth. Pick up the scattered trash and put it into the trash bin.